Okay. All right. So the Bears are beginning to take control of the action. We believe with the small odds that that strong 97 is gonna be taken, and so those of us who are sure that 104, 105, 106, right? Then our job is to wait for that break of 97 and uh, and ride it all the way to 93. Okay, it's not gonna be happen. It's not gonna be easy because we know how strong 97 is, right? Okay, alrighty then. So because we believe that 97 is gonna be taken, that's why we've been shorting the high so that we can have an okay risk reward ratio. And that's why we took that shot 105, 104, right? We wanted 109. That would have been an amazing risk reward ratio. But we know that sometimes price is not going to go exactly. So we have to establish a position. Right now, we have a position short. And the most important thing is that you need to understand that this position short that we have right now, expecting the price to break 97 and continue to 93, it's a counter trend. It's a position against the major force, the one that is controlling the action right now, which is the bulls. They are determined to take it back to the top of 4, 5, 6 and take it all the way to '09. Right? So that's the fight that we're having right now, and that's why I told you a little while ago that it's not enough to know where the price is going, but we need to know how it's gonna get there because it's the only way that we're gonna be able to manage our position and not let the smart money shake us out. All right, so short term, we know that as long as strong 97 is not taken, the Bulls are in control, right? That's we believe that this is a short short term action. The longer one, right, the one that we are expecting later on, is bearish. Break of 97 and continuation to 93. 93 is a destination, by the way. It's not a target. But we have to see the price break 97 and continue to 93. That's the counter trend. Okay, shorting, right here, 106. We know the price is going to be looking. Bulls wants to take it all the way to 109, right? So we have to be careful, right? With the 109. Okay. All right. So that's why it's so important to be able to have two accounts so that you can go with the main play. In this case, the main play is long 97 all the way to 109. We all know that. And then small position counter for the sway play, which is the one that is a little bit longer than the tempo play that we're on right now. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And so we can all clearly see how, since the open, 97 has been doing its job exactly like we said. Main play long 97 area, right? That over there. Expecting the price to go all the way to the high 106, break it and continue to 109, right? That's the main play. But we're watching it, right? Oh yeah, we're watching it. We're watching it. We know that the first resistance is 14, so 109. 109 is not a target, by the way. The target for the bulls is 14. 109 is a destination. That's 108. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the bears jumping the gun a couple of ticks because they know the importance of how strong of a resistance 109 is. That's where the bulls wanted to go. Right? Okay. All right. So what else do we know? Well, oh 09 held nicely, right? The bears that jumped the gun short of A, they rotted 4 points all the way to 04. Bulls coming back to the rescue, all of that, right? So we know exactly that a clean break of 09, it'll continue going to 14. So those of us who are long 97, 98, the strongest support, the main play, the force in control until it's taken, then we want to go all the way to 09, break it, take all the time you want, but just continue going up and give me 14 from 97, right, to 07. That's 10 points to 14, right? So it's a couple more points right there, right? That's what the Bulls want. What are the Bulls doing right now? Stop break even, and they're trailing. They're trailing, right? What are the Bears doing? We know the resistances, right? 106, 109, 14. Why would we want to be in a short position? Because we believe that the price is eventually going to go back to 97 and take it and continue to 93. That's right. Okay, so that's what we're doing right now. Okay, well, what if the price never comes back and we keep shorting 109, 114? Well, we'll just take small wins because I just like we saw the 108, it pulled back all the way to 104, right? So that's 4 points in our direction. Fun, right? It's a counter trend, so we know that the Bulls are gonna do their job. 114. So we are pulsing it out. Sure. That's all. The moment that we say, hey, you know what? Bulls are in complete control, not only of the short term action, but the longer we stop, we don't short anymore, and then we'll let the current long position that we have 97, we let it ride to 14, and then I'll know where else it's gonna go. Or those who are not long, the main play long 97, then we'll look for support and take a shot long somewhere else. If you know what the Bulls are doing, if you know what the Bears are doing, if you know what the Weasels are doing, if you know what the Snakes are doing, if you know what the Turtles are doing, then you are in a position to complete and fully control your management of your trade. And the best of all is that you won't allow the smart money to shake you out. Right, so as long as the price is above 103, Bulls not only continue being in control, but they're gonna really be looking to take that 109, right? 103. Why is that important for the Bears? Well, now the Bears don't have to wait all the way for the price to tumble all the way to 97. Now, a clean break of 103 is going to tell you, aha, the Bears began taking control. They're not in control yet until 97 is taken, but a clean break of 103, that's going to be the beginning of the end of the Bulls. Therefore, 103, it's a trail for the Bulls. Those Bulls that want to take it all the way to 14, they now have a stop right there, 103, to protect their current position long 98, 97, 98, 99, expecting to make 14, 15 points, riding this long position all the way to 14. Right? So it's very important that you know that 103 it's right there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's 14 to the tick and better. So let's target 1, right? For the long 98, 99, 14 is target 1. We know that the Bulls are still in control, trailing 103. What's target 2? We know that they're going to try to ride it even more to the upside, right? Okay. Where to? Where is target 2? All right, I'm looking for it. Hold on a second. Let me see where target 2 is. However, it is resistance, and we're looking to play it. Okay? All right? Okay. Never mistaking the short play as the main play. All right? You've got to know that any shorts that we take are an absolute trade against the major force that got stronger at 103. So remember what I told you, right? Our targets, it's our 14, right? 14, 15. It's a target for our play long 98, 99. And it's a counter trend short. Remember what I told you. The reason it's a target is because it's resistance. And if it is resistance, there are two things that we need to know. Number one, let's take advantage of it, right? And have a counter trend short small position, right? Take advantage of it. Number two, if you do, you're gonna have play, and we are totally and completely wrong. Prisaricos targets are magical, so magical that you're gonna have plenty of time to get out, break even, small scratch, and you might even make a couple of points. Look at the pullback. Look at the pullback, right? Look at the pullback right off of target 1, right? 1175, 12 points, right? So you have two points right here, right now. You can make 2 points right here, right now, right? So because look how strong is this moving up, right? And we know 03, we know 06, we know 09. Those are all places of support, right? Okay. So when we lose very small. And when we win 10 times. And that's pretty much how consistent, profitable, big time trading works. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, right? 15, right? Razor sharp entry. 1 point. It's only 1 point. Yeah, sure. Can this thing go right back to 15 and destroy it and continue going up to the moon? Of course it could. Small scratch, right? That's it. Okay, that's what trading is all about. Okay, right? So look at that. 1 point of hit. This is our short 14 that I've been calling for the past 20 minutes. Razor sharp entry. 1 point of hit. Enough so that we can have enough time and room to take it. Okay? Boom, that's 10, so that's plus 4. And we all know what we are expecting. We know that '09 is not going to be easy to take, but it will be taken. '06 is not going to be easy to take, but it will be taken. Let me rephrase that. The odds, that's what we're expecting. That's what we're counting on. All right? All right, so correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't that '09 half? It is '09 half. So why do you think that the price goes all the way to '09 half? It cannot take it on the first leg, and then it has to bounce because we know it's support, right? Right there, 109. Do we not? Right? We've known it all along. Okay. All right, so this is what we need to understand now. All right, the Bulls, they want to take it all the way to 19 now. All right, they're not fully happy with their 14. Okay, they want to take it to 19 now. Okay, so but that's not gonna be easy. That's not gonna be easy for them to do. But that's where they want to go. So we, those of us who are long 98, 99, target 1, 14, target 2 is 19. All right, so okay, target 2, 19 for the main play long, but we know it's not gonna be a walk in the park. We know that, right? Why? Because we know the future, right? We know the future, okay, and we know what the odds are as to what's gonna happen in the future, okay. So in the meantime, we're short right here, 14, counter trend that just went to '09, gave us 5 points, and we have to put up with this lip action 9, 15, 15, 9, 9, 15. And what is it that we completely and totally want to be aware of? Well, okay, the Bulls, they want to go to 19. So clean break of 15, you can count on the price to continue to target to 19. So what are you going to do? Are you going to remain short? Of course not. You're never going to let a winner turn into a loser. You have 4 points already, 5 points in your direction on the counter trend, number one. And number two, you are expecting the price to eventually take 9 and at least test '06. That's not going to be easy because this is a big fight, right? So in the meantime, you're taking advantage of your long position, the one where you have the biggest size long, expecting the price to go back to 15 tech and continue to 19. And in the meantime, you are sure these 14, expecting in the future for the price to break this channel, right? This uptrend channel. Look at it. That's a channel. All right. So breaking of the low of this channel right here, right? This channel, the low, breaking this low, it's not gonna be enough because still has to break '09. So breaking this channel right here, 12, 13, 14 to the downside, it's not enough. All right, that could easily be a fake breakdown because we know how strong '09 is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna pay attention to 11 now. Okay, that's the next support. 11. Right? Okay. Next support is 11. So we had 103. Now we have 11. And of course, we have the '09, right? The '09 that's it's been there for a while. I don't know, but correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 11 to the tick? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we broke structure, right? One of them. We just broke the tight tube uptrend. We just broke it. But remember what I told you 5 minutes ago. It's not enough. All right? The amateur, they think that, oh my God, broke. I'm gonna go short now because it broke. Well, they might get lucky because we've been expecting a a drop, right? But we still watching, and we know that this break of structure of the low of the uptrend channel, the low, right? The low of the uptrend tight tube channel just broke, right? But remember what I told you 5 minutes ago, right? It needs to break '09 for us to believe that, oh my God, now this is going down, right? Just because it broke structure? Not at all. Believe you me. And not only that, look 11 holding. Are you kidding me? All right. But now we have 11. So if it breaks 11, then then we start believing that, oh, okay, it's time for the market to turn around. It's got to break 11. Okay, so the price right now is 412. And what is this high right here? 15 half, right? Let's call it 16. Look at that. Price goes to 11, takes it. We're done with 11. And where is the next stop? Tell me. Just what is the next stop? To the tick. '09. Right? Look at it. '09, right? So I mean, we still want the price below 11, right? But the next important support is '09. Now we want to break '09. All right? Now we want to break '09. All right? So long as the price is comfortably below 11, 14, then we are expecting to continue going down, break '09, and give us 106. Of course, that's easy. And then, bam, 103. Correct me again if I'm wrong, but is that 106? Boom, bam, bing. And this, my friends, this is how the cookie crumbles.